In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a date in Canva Sheets. To insert a date, click on the cell you want the date to appear in, and then hit slash on your keyboard, and then click on date, or search for it if you can't see it. Then just click on date, and now you'll see an empty date element. Just click on it, and now you're able to set the date to whatever you want. And then once you're satisfied, you can just click on it or click away, and then you'll see the date appearing just like that. And if you click on the cell, double click on it, then you'll see the actual write-up of the date. So if you write this yourself, then it will also appear as a date. So that's a shortcut if you don't want to go through the process of entering a date. And if you want to change the date, you can click on it again. And if you want to remove the date completely, you'll have to double click on backspace, because when you click once, it asks you to enter the date again. So that's how you remove it. And that's how you insert a date and remove it and change it in Canva Sheets. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.